I think the key right now is kind of having one application landscape for the entire enterprise, having one system architecture for the entire enterprise. So we have different regions of the country that use different applications ultimately to execute the same business, same work. Getting everyone on the same landscape allows us to reduce clutter within our organization and also improve efficiency of how we operate. Being able to document what those relationships are and then quickly access those relationships so that we can do the proper evaluation is critical in making sure that we have a seamless transition for these projects. And I think Orbus allows us to do that by documenting and maintaining those relationships. Orbus has definitely been a key contributor to us at building out our enterprise architecture. I've reached out to several Orbus consultants and to Owen and other members in the organization to help us create the relationships we want, create the Metamodel we need, wherever we have any potential challenges, provide recommendation and consulting experience to help drive us forward. And it's been a great relationship. I've been pretty demanding of the team, and every time I ask for something, right away someone gets on it and tries to provide a solution. I think having that access and having the right amount of people that are willing to work with us and building us our goal moving forward, and being able to and willing to treat us as a real customer. I think that is a very key component because we can't do this on our own. There's a lot of work involved in maintaining the tool and even conceptually trying to take it to where we need to go, and having that consulting ability to reach out, ask questions, and always come back with an answer or a recommendation, being able to incorporate that into our strategy is definitely something that's been useful for us.